and counting, the relief and rescue operations continue on a war footing for the fourth straight day in Wayanad, where over 330 people have lost their lives after 3 deadly landslides threw normal life out of gear. 300 more are presently missing, and with the government unsure about any more people surviving this calamity, there are widespread fears that the death toll may cross 500 eventually. But even as all hopes got lost, there was a small glimmer of hope at the end of the tunnel as the army managed to miraculously rescue 4 people alive from under the debris. An Air Force helicopter was launched to facilitate the rescue. Of those rescued, one of the women is experiencing difficulties with her leg and has been taken for medical treatment.
Thanks to the Bailey Bridge that has been built at Chularmala, heavy machinery, earth movers have been able to reach Mundakai. And not just that, a lot of rescue personnel carrying a lot of equipment that could cut through debris have now come here to one of the worst hit areas. This entire village nearly has been washed away by the flash floods because of the landslides, of course, that happened. The landslide tip, of course, is very, very close to where I'm standing, and you can see all around as my video journalist Pradeep is going to show you these pictures. It shows the vast devastation and the destruction that this landslide has left behind. Right now you have forces from the army, from the fire and rescue of Kerala state. You also have the NDRF and volunteers who are working day and night to try and identify if anybody has been trapped. Predominantly now, since 3 days have passed, it is a search for mortal remains so that it can be handed over to the families who are right now at relief camps, who don't know where their family members are. At least handing over a mortal remain would mean that they can conduct final rites at least. But up until now, while of course search operations have been conducted over the last couple of days, first of course manually and then using earth movers, they've been able to get over 20 mortal remains. All around, of course, you see even beneath where I'm properly standing, there possibly is a home. And these earth movers are helping, of course, channel out the water, move out the debris, and possibly find any more people who could be still trapped inside. Sniffer dogs as well are being pressed into action. So it's an extensive operation that's currently underway here in Mundakai.
आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं कि इस वक्त किस युद्ध स्तर पर जो है ये रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन इस वक्त किया जा रहा है। मुंडकई में इस वक्त हम मौजूद है चुरलमला से 4 किलोमीटर दूर, क्योंकि रोड कनेक्टिविटी पूरी तरह से टूट चुकी है, तो पैदल चलकर यहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं। और ये तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं कि मुंडकई में इस वक्त बहुत बड़ा डैमेज हुआ। ये जो पैच आप देख रहे हैं, यहीं से पूरा ये जो लैंडस्लाइड है वो शुरू हुआ था, जो कि यहाँ से पूरा मलबा जो है वो नीचे की तरफ यानी चुरलमला की तरफ ये पूरा मलबा पहुंचा और काफी घरों को जो है वो तबाह कर दिया है। ये तमाम तस्वीरें यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई देगी चारों तरफ। तो घर की तस्वीरें आप देखिए कि जब ये बहुत फोर्स के साथ ये भीषण लैंडस्लाइड जब आया तो किस तरह से तमाम घरों को जो है वो डैमेज कर दिया है। ये सभी जो घर आप देख रहे हैं हमारे विजुअल्स में, ये किसी भी वक्त गिर सकते हैं, ये किसी भी वक्त ढह सकते हैं। इस अवस्था में ये घर इस वक्त यहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहे हैं। दूसरी तरफ आप देख सकते हैं कि जेसीबी की मदद से लगातार मलबों को हटाकर लोगों को सर्च करने का कार्य यहाँ पर चल रहा है, और जल्द से जल्द ताकि जो लोग इस मलबे में फंसे हैं उन्हें निकाला जा सके। बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्ण भरा ये रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन, क्योंकि लगातार एक और बारिश रुक कर हो रही है, और ऐसे में मलबा जो बहुत बड़ी चुनौती थी, लेकिन आज हेवी मशीनरीज क्योंकि पहुंच चुकी है, ऐसे में अब इस रेस्क्यू वर्क को तेजी मिल चुकी है।
We are now in Kalpetta town. Here an old building which was already not in a great condition, the district collector's office had marked it for demolition. The roof of this building came crashing down a while ago. Fortunately, there were people on top, but you can see extensive damage to the roof. There were shops below. They managed to get out immediately when they heard a huge sound. You can see the destruction that it has left. The entire main road right now, of course, the vehicular movement has been severely affected. A lot of bystanders, of course, curious as to what exactly has happened, but once again, it's an indicator that if the rains continue, the problems for the people of Wayanad could only increase. Fortunately, in this instance, no casualties or no injuries, but an indicator of how dangerous this heavy downpour that has been, of course, lashing different parts of Wayanad really is. With video journalist Pradeep, this is Deepak Bopana for Times Now.
Former Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi